In this video, we are going to see how to fix Roblox not installing on your device. First step, run the program as administrative. Right click Properties, click Compatibility, and enable the run the program as administrative. Click Apply and OK. After that, you can check it. If the problem still remains, go to second step, click Windows Defender Firewall, click Allow App or Features through Windows Defender Firewall, click Change Settings, scroll down and check for Roblox. If the Roblox is not available means no problem, you can add it. Click allow another app, click browse and you can add it. For easy method, come back, right click Roblox and click open file location and copy the address in the top side and paste the address. You can easily get the application. Once getting after, you can add it. Click add. So once complete after, make sure it should be enabled in both private and public. Enable it and click OK and check it. If the problem still remains, then go with the third method. Click run. Type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click it and click OK. This page will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Roblox folder and search for version folder. In these different versions are there. You need to go to the latest version and open and check it. Sometimes the latest or previous version will sort out the issues. So that's why you can open and check it. If the still remains, then go with the next method. Click log folder, delete the files and folder inside the log folder, come back and open up local storage and delete the files inside the local storage and click temp storage, delete the files inside the temp storage. Once complete after, close it and restart your PC and after reopen and check it.